friends, welcome. Today we'll explore some more glass painting ideas in this second part. If you haven't seen the previous videos related to glass painting, check out the description box for the links. Okay, so let's start. So let's see what all material we require. This is a small glass bottle I've taken, and this is called as mouldit, which is from Fevicryl. It's a type of resin and it has got two parts, a white part and a grey part. This is similar to MCell which we use, and you can also use different type of clays or any other molding material. So we'll open this. This is the white part and this is the grey one. So we have to mix this thoroughly and it should become a homogeneous mixture. You have to apply a little bit of pressure so that it's kneaded into a soft dough kind of thing. Don't keep it in the open for a long time, it hardens very fast. You can also use Shilpakar clay which comes from Fevicryl if it is available. So now it is soft and moldable, so we'll start using this to make the design. We'll also need 2 toothpicks to make any other design on top of it. So I'm taking a small portion of the dove. So what we are trying to make is a coconut tree. I've already met the stem of the tree and put it onto the bottle. You don't need glue, it sticks onto the bottle itself, but if you want you can use glue as well. So here I am trying to make a leaf of the coconut tree and then we'll stick it onto the bottle. Just press it firmly and it sticks very easily. Now similarly we'll make some more leaves for the coconut tree in different lengths and then put it onto the bottle. So it will look something like this. Okay, now the next step is to make the coconuts. So we'll make some small balls and then stick it onto the coconut tree. They'll be placed where the leaves start off. So you can make around 5-6 in numbers depending on the space you have on the bottle. Next, we are going to use the toothpick to mark out the veins onto the coconut leaves. So to give it more 3D effect, when we color it, it will be more realistic. So we are going to repeat this for all the leaves. And once this is done, the next step is to make a small hut at the base of the tree. For that we'll take a thinner portion and make the roof, which is almost triangular in shape, and below that a rectangular piece which will make the wall and the door. Okay, now the hut is in place and we'll again use the toothpick to give it a more realistic appearance of a thatched roof. Mark out lines on the top and a door below. So we are done with the hut. Now we'll add a sun and a bird in the sky. For the sun, make a circular piece and stick it on. And for the bird, we'll make a design of a bird which is flying in the sky. I'm putting up one bird, but you can put as many birds, clouds, whatever you want. And we'll use a space below at the base of the tree to add some stones, grass. And this is how it will look after we finish with the molded clay. The next is to color this. We'll use water-based glass colors for the free portion of the glass and acrylic colors for the molded structure. So this is how it will look like. If you're not sure how to do the glass painting with the help of water-based glass colors, check the description box below for the link to the previous video. So this is done and you can light it up at night as well. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. If you would like to receive more such updates in the field of art craft, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon and follow our Facebook page. Bye.